Welcome to Travel's Hub, your solution for travel request management in Microsoft 365. In this video, we'll explore what Travel's Hub offers, how to use it to streamline travel request management, and how to configure and tailor it to your needs. Let's get started. Travel's Hub simplifies travel request management with efficient processes, flexible workflows, seamless integration with SharePoint and Teams, and centralized administration. The travel calendar offers a clear view of all planned trips, keeping travel schedules organized. Travel's Hub allows you to create travel request templates that fit your needs, whether for pre-travel requests, settlement requests, or mileage reimbursements. With an intuitive drag-and-drop form builder and a visual workflow designer, building custom travel request forms is effortless and requires no coding. Stay secure within Microsoft 365. Access Travel's Hub through SharePoint or Teams with no extra logins required. Your data stays on your Microsoft 365 tenant. Safe, private, and fully controlled. The user guide will help you understand how to use the app from an end-user perspective. To create a new travel request, click the Create button on the travel report page and choose the appropriate travel template. Upon installation, the app includes two sample request templates, pre-travel request and post-travel reimbursement, allowing you to explore and test its features without any initial setup. The pre-travel request template is designed to accommodate complex multi-destination trips, but you can customize it to fit your needs or create a completely new travel request form. Once the form is completed, click Submit to send the request for approval. After creating a request, you can navigate through different tabs to access key details such as the request form or workflow progress. In the Comments tab, you can add new comments or reply to existing ones, keeping all discussions related to the request in one place. The Request Flow tab displays information about the current workflow status. The travel calendar offers a visual overview of travel requests. Users can filter requests by department, choosing to see all departments or only their own. To approve or reject a request, go to the My Approval section in the left menu and click For My Acceptance. You can approve or reject requests using bulk approval mode directly from the report page or by opening the request details and clicking the Approve or Reject button. If your travel workflow includes tasks that need to be completed, you can find them under For My Completion in the My Tasks section of the left menu. If a task requires actions within the request form, such as uploading receipts, first update the form and save the changes. Then click the Complete Task button. The Reports section provides access to reports that the user is permitted to view, offering valuable insights for various purposes. For example, the Requests in Progress report allows users to quickly check the current status of all pending requests in a single data table and identify any overdue requests. The Total Cost report enables financial departments and managers to quickly calculate the total cost of travel requests using various filters and dimensions. The Delegates feature allows users to assign their approval or task responsibilities to another user for a specific period. This is particularly useful for covering responsibilities during planned absences. This section walks administrators through the setup and configuration of the app. The Getting Started page in the left menu provides quick access to the app documentation, including the user guide, admin guide, and other helpful resources. The user who installs the app is automatically assigned the admin role and gains access to the Administration section in the menu. The General tab on the Settings page lets you configure the app's core settings. For more details on each option, hover over the Help icon to access additional guidance. The Logo and Colors tab lets you customize the app by uploading a logo and adjusting the color scheme to match your organization's branding. The Request Permissions tab enables administrators to manage user permissions for creating, editing, withdrawing, or deleting requests based on their specific status. The Report Permissions tab allows administrators to manage access to reports in the left menu by assigning or restricting permissions based on user roles. The app features 5 predefined roles, and menu options adjust according to the assigned role. The Integration section provides access to the integration SharePoint lists, enabling custom workflows through Power Automate and advanced reporting with Power BI. The Email Notifications and Reminders section activates the email notification engine, ensuring key event alerts, such as new approval requests or completed tasks, are sent. Administrators can also set up optional email reminders for overdue requests using Power Automate flows. There are 2 ways to provision users and their metadata. Information such as manager, department, and office location can be retrieved from the Microsoft 365 user profile or manually configured within the app. Before adding users, navigate to the Settings section to choose the metadata provisioning method. If you choose to define department or office location within the app, ensure you populate the appropriate dictionary before adding users. User creation in the app is handled through the Users section. You can add users individually or in bulk. During the user creation process, you'll need to assign a user account, select a role, and specify metadata such as manager or department, provided you've chosen to manage this metadata within the app. To create a new request, users select the appropriate template from a predefined list. App administrators can create and manage various templates, such as pre-travel request, post-travel reimbursement, or mileage reimbursement. Each template is customized with specific forms, workflow settings, and permissions to align with business requirement. The Forms Design tab enables you to create a custom request form tailored to the specific template. Within this tab, you'll find 2 toolboxes in the right menu: Fields and Layout. The Fields toolbox includes functional elements like text inputs and choice fields. The Layout toolbox helps you manage the design and structure of the form, influencing both its on-screen appearance and printed version. To build the form, simply drag and drop items from the Designer toolbar. To modify field properties, such as making a field mandatory, click the Edit icon in the top right corner of the component. To use a specific field as an email variable or condition, ensure that in addition to the field display label, you also provide a field unique name. For the Data Table component, you can also manage the list of fields, including setting mandatory fields. The Request Title tab lets you configure a formula for generating the request title based on form fields. If the request title isn't needed for your business process, you can disable it through the General App settings. The Subtotal Formula feature allows you to calculate custom subtotals for each row in the Expenses table. The Workflow Design tab enables you to create structured approval workflows tailored to your process requirements. You can design workflows with sequential, parallel, or mixed approval paths, incorporating conditions and assignments to ensure smooth request handling. Workflows can include a series of approvals and tasks, which can be assigned to specific individuals or groups. Conditions are defined based on specific request parameters, such as total amount, user department, or form field values. The task flow type enables you to assign specific actions required for a request, such as uploading receipts or verifying compliance. The app provides email notifications to enhance workflow efficiency. Once the email notification engine is activated via a Power Automate flow, the email notifications section allows you to customize email delivery. You can also use form fields as variables in email templates. After a new template is created with the appropriate permissions, users can generate new requests from it by clicking the Create New button. Request forms appear as they are designed in the Forms Designer within the Template Settings page. This part of the video guide provides an overview of additional features available in the app. The app allows for bulk import of requests, users, and datasets directly from Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. To import data, copy the records using Ctrl+C, then click the first cell in the spreadsheet and press Ctrl+V to paste the data. User Groups is an optional feature that simplifies collaboration and access management. By grouping users, such as the payroll team or IT team, you can easily assign approvals to specific teams and manage request template permissions. The Custom Views feature enables app administrators to create tailored views of request data. These views can be shared with users based on assigned permissions. The Data Filters tab allows to define filters to display requests that match specific criteria. The Columns in Data Table tab lets choose which columns will be shown in the Custom View report. Authorized users can access the custom view under the Request section in the left menu. The Budget Management feature provides accurate tracking and allocation of financial resources across requests. Administrators can set up budgets with specified timeframes and amounts to ensure controlled expense approvals. Integrated with request templates, this feature allows users to link expenses to specific budgets while enabling real-time balance tracking and automated adjustments. The budget tracking option can be enabled in template settings for templates with expense tracking activated. Once enabled and linked to a budget in the budget dictionary, users will see an additional budget column in the expense spreadsheet, allowing them to allocate expenses to a specific budget. The Datasets feature enables administrators to manage large datasets, such as customers, vendors, or countries. These datasets can be used as choice or multiple choice field types in the Form Design tab within Request Template settings. The app offers a detailed export option for requests through the Export Details to Excel button. Simply click the button, choose the desired request template, and export the detailed data to a Microsoft Excel file. The Audit Log feature records all changes to objects within the app, including creations, edits, deletions, and other modifications. It provides app administrators with a comprehensive overview to monitor system activity and track changes effectively. Thank you for watching.